obvious first thing your eyes are drawn to are the center console with this giant red ignition button. That is so exciting. It's just like in Star Wars when the music hits and that first like super loud. So just looking at all these controls, it can get a little intimidating, but we're gonna break it down for you right now. This is where you turn on your insane V12 engine. Here right above it, you have the different driving options. It starts in Strata, which is a more comfortable ride, and these two arrows here let you toggle through the different modes. So, right next to it is Sport, which we like to drive in most of the time, and right next to that is Corsa, which is Italian for course. This is like when you're on a track. And then next to that, you have Ego. Ego is a new mode that lets you, the driver, program exactly how you want the car to handle. Everything from powertrain to steering and suspension, you can make it exactly the way you want. So it's a super cool feature. These two on the far left and far right are your windows. This button right here is your front lift gate, so this will lift the front of your car when you need to clear obstacles. We're gonna do that now just so you can see what that looks like. So, to the right of your steering wheel, you've got 3 buttons right here, 2 of which aren't programmed, which you can have them programmed after options for whatever you end up doing to your car. The one in the middle for us controls this tiny window here, which opens up to the engine bay, and while you're driving, it actually makes the engine a lot more present. You can hear it way louder. This is where your parking brake is. This button puts the car into reverse, and this is how you toggle from automatic to manual mode.